Hi, everybody. My name is Chelsea Agbayani, and welcome to a DSI Public Policy webinar. The topic of this webinar is additional ways to get involved in public policy. In this webinar, I will be introducing the U.S. government, talking about why public policy is important, and additional ways to get involved in public policy. So what is the main purpose of the government? The main purpose of the government is to establish and enforce laws. Creating laws establishes order and stability to the country. The government creates laws for the well-being of the country. In order to prevent one person from having too much power, the government created the three branches. The three branches are the legislative branch, executive branch, and judicial branch. Legislative branch makes the laws. This consists of the Congress, which are also the legislators. The executive branch carries out the laws. This branch consists of the president, vice president, and cabinet members. The judicial branch evaluates the laws. This branch consists of the court system, which is the Supreme Court and other federal courts. The main difference between the federal and state government are the responsibilities that are given to them. The federal government has powers that concern the country as an overall. Their responsibilities include overseeing national defense and foreign policy, vetoing laws, impeaching officials, revising laws, and more. The state government has responsibilities that concern an individual state. This includes criminal cases, Medicaid, estate laws, personal injury, and workers' compensation. So why is public policy important? Public policy is a way for people to make decisions in the government. This is a way for the public to be involved in overseeing the laws and regulations in the government. People can influence the politics by supporting candidates and legislation. Public policy is a way to promote a healthy and educated community. One important way to get involved in public policy is by voting. This is a simple and effective way to be involved. By registering to vote, you help make the decision on who the state and federal officials are. You can also encourage your friends and family to vote so that their voices are heard also. Before voting, educate yourself and others on who the candidates are so that you can make an informed decision on who you want to lead this country. Another way to be involved in public policy is by direct lobbying. Direct lobbying is when you have contact with your legislator or other officials. You can contact your legislators by email, phone call, or set up a meeting. Direct lobbying gets the most attention because legislators will remember your concerns if you contact them directly. This is also the most effective way to change laws if you voice your concern to your legislator. And your legislator loves to hear from the public, so don't be afraid to contact them. Another way to be involved in public policy is with grassroots lobbying. This isn't direct contact with your legislator, but this encourages others to contact their legislators. This can be done with a town hall meeting, a petition, action alerts, and other ways that can get people informed. This can get the most attention also because when someone contacts their legislator, they can inform the legislator on what organization encouraged them to contact them. And when more people in one group contact a legislator, then there will be more attention. You can also volunteer for advocacy organizations. These 4 organizations are good organizations that help with the legislative for individuals with Down syndrome. The ARC of Indiana advocates for funding, legislation, regulations, and policies for individuals with Down syndrome. The NDSS, DS Ambassadors, help build a long-lasting relationship with officials. The National Down Syndrome Congress Advocacy Coalition is a grassroots advocacy service that educates individuals with Down syndrome, their friends, families, and other allies on public policy. The Partners in Policy Academy with the Governor's Council for People with Disabilities teaches leadership skills and techniques to develop positive partnerships with elected officials, school personnel, individuals who make policy decisions about services that families use. So make sure you do your research on what your public interests are. This way you're able to stay informed on public policy and know the facts. And it's good to be involved in public policy. You can make an impact on legislation with any other law. Thank you for your time, and for more information, please contact DSI at dsindiana.org. Thank you so much.